Today, we're taking you inside one of the most critical steps in heavy-duty gear manufacturing, the gear grinding process. At our facilities, we operate more than 20 advanced gear grinding machines, capable of processing large gears ranging from 800 millimeters to 4,000 millimeters in diameter. This allows us to support demanding applications such as turbine industry, mining machinery, oil and gas, machine tools, metallurgy, and other sectors. The grinding process follows a strict 4-step procedure: rough grinding to remove excess material, in-process measurement to verify dimensions, precision finish grinding, and a final finishing pass. This multi-stage approach ensures dimensional stability and prevents thermal damage during grinding. The result is a gear surface roughness of raw 0.8 micrometers or better, achieving DIN 3 to 5 and AGMA 8 to 13 precision levels. These ultra-precise gears ensure smoother transmission, lower vibration, quieter operation, and longer service life for heavy industrial-duty gearboxes. If you're interested in learning more about gear manufacturing, industrial gearbox technology, or precision engineering, subscribe to our channel and follow us for more factory insights.